Residents blocked a section of the Grand Spend main road in St. Andrew this morning. They were protesting the fatal shooting of a man in the community by police yesterday evening. Details in this report.
The killing of a man by the police in Grand Spend sometime after 8 p.m. Tuesday was the fuel behind the protest in the area Wednesday. The dead man has been identified as 30-year-old Todmar Watson, more commonly known by his alias Podman. The police insist Podman was killed during an alleged confrontation with them. However, residents are refuting that claim.
Why go down there go kill the youth? If the youth commit himself, if they carry him in, let the law deal with him. You cannot kill the youth, man.
Come out and say,
Come on, man.
Murder the man in front of his grandfather and his girlfriend and his stepdaughter. Murder the man and I talk about shootout. 10 police can go in a house to shoot out to that man. And one of the police will get shot. Eh? Lie, Mattel.
You can't kill a man in his house. We are cooking food, him baby, him grandfather, him wife. And you kill him in his house and a shootout.
His father told our news center that his son was charged with lottery scamming and was reporting to the police daily as a condition of his bail. Commanding officer for the St. Andrew North Police, Senior Superintendent Aaron Fletcher, says Podman was a known criminal in the area.
As far as we are concerned, we have adequate evidence implicating him in the killing on Sunday of a mason whilst he was working in the community, brought in by a resident. Now, Dunbar is known to be involved in criminal activities, not just in St. Andrew North, but in other police divisions also.
In the meantime, the residents say they will continue to protest until justice is served.
As far as we are concerned, the demonstration is in protest for the fatal shooting of the gentleman, and it is reflective of the degree of social decay in our society. It is reflective of the broad-scale support for lawlessness and criminality, and the police will not tolerate it. The police will not tolerate it. We will continue to go at the criminals wherever they are, as long as the evidence points to them. The police does not go out with intent to kill, but if you confront the police is going to give appropriate response.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.